Now this homegirl's got the nerve to laugh at me because I brought the flip cam out here to make sure everybody can witness.
There's snow blowing in my eyes and you have a camera on me. Are you
Well,
serious?
take a look. I mean, seriously. Now that is some snow. Folks want to doubt me. This is Ellen, by the way. Ellen Bodkins. She is my favorite makeup artist in the entire world at Fox 5 in the morning. And
I am so mad at him for having a camera out.
Too bad, woman. Now hold that umbrella for me and let's go over here to 67 and 3rd. Okay, so the snow's not too bad yet, but the flakes are big.
This is not bad. Are you serious?
What's accumulated on the streets. Oh, there goes the bus. What is this, the M12 or something like that? Oh, M103.
Oh my God.
I must not take the bus much.
So
we're heading over to the 6th train.
Today.
And, right? What's that?
I am so glad that I did not drive today.
Me too,
smart.
because I'd be like, get off the sidewalk. See, that's what it is. If they plowed the sidewalks, perhaps she would have driven because that's where she's used to driving. Truth hurts. All right.
Wow.
Check back with you in a bit. Ellen Bodkins, Mike Woods, signing out.